loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a home decor haul. It's kind of like a little bit different from what I normally do because I don't actually have the things in front of me to hold up and show you. Some of them are already hanging up on the wall, some of them are already hanging up on curtains. So I'm just going to show you the pieces that I've recently gotten in my home because I've gotten some new curtains for our living room. I've got new curtains for Phoenix's bedroom. I've got new curtains for my makeup room. I've got some artwork. I'm doing this as a collaboration with my sweet friend Lisa Prideaux. I love her. We've collabed a few times in the past. She is from the UK. I love her. She has such a gorgeous home, such gorgeous style. She does all of these renovations and like her Instagram is beautiful. She just puts out such lovely quality content and her home, I don't know how she keeps her house so clean, and I feel like I'm slacking majorly because her house always looks so darn tidy. It's just so pristine all the time, but she just had the most gorgeous little kind of like, I think it was a closet and she turned it into a little toilet, like, you know, downstairs toilet, bathroom, not a bathroom because there's no bath in it. Well, what would that be called? A half bathroom. I don't know what it's called. But the renovation is just it's beautiful. Like, it's amazing like what she did with such a small space. She does like clean with me's. She's a mom. She does some beauty stuff. She has a lot of content. It's like a nice good variety. She's absolutely gorgeous. She is like goals. She just looks so beautiful all the time. Her hair is beautiful. Her lips are gorgeous. Her skin is delicious. She has the most gorgeous little boys. She is just lovely. And I know that you guys are gonna love her. If you haven't already subscribed to her, you are missing out. So go ahead and head on over to her channel. Today, I think for her video, she's gonna be doing more of like a fall decor haul. I think she has pieces up in her house already that she's gonna kind of show around her home and show how she's decorated. Thank you so much to Lisa for collaborating with me. You guys be sure to subscribe, go watch her video. I'm sure it's gonna be fabulous. I cannot wait to see her fall decor because she just has such a good eye for decoration. I will leave her channel link as well as her video link as well as her 2 Instagrams because she has Lisa Prideaux and then Lisa Prideaux Home. I think that's what they're called. And both of them are so fabulous. One of them is more like of her family life and then one of them is more of just her home decor. And if you're coming over from Lisa's channel, welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoy my content. I do a little bit of beauty. I do a lot of fashion, a lot of try on hauls. I do a little bit of home decor and like room tours, that kind of stuff. It's kind of like a little bit of just everything. It's just all the things that I love that make me me. So I hope you guys will stick around and subscribe and click that notification bell, and then you can be part of my family over here on YouTube. Links will be down below because everything is very recent and I think everything is still available. Let's go ahead and get started. I love you. Mwah. Okay, so here is the first piece and this I am obsessed with, you guys. I love it so much. This is from Marshalls.com. It was $39.99 and it is by Marmont. I'm not really sure how you say it, but I got a couple of pieces from that same artist or brand or whatever it is. I'm assuming it's the artist. But it's kind of like a watercolor, like it's a piece of, you know, watercolor paper and then it's the watercolor paint inside of like this little frame, and it's just so beautiful. And I love the coloring of it because it's the same colors as my bedroom. So it's got kind of like that really soft light yellow and then a peachy tone and then that kind of like darker pink, which really ties in like with my rust bedding. So I have it on this wall. So like this is my bathroom right here, and then this window, or sorry, this wall was like quite empty. So now it's like right next to my curtains. So it's like the same peachy tone as my curtains, and then the bedding ties in really beautifully with it, and I just love it. I think it's a little crooked actually now that I'm standing back here. Yeah, it is. That's annoying. Anyway, but now it kind of like ties in with that piece of art and then it just looks really pretty. So I absolutely love that. Now I'm gonna have to make sure it's even because that's irritating. I'm so excited that I found that one. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here's the other piece that I got. I haven't quite decided where I want to put this piece yet, but it's the exact same artist, Marmont. And I think the frame is a little bit lighter and it's also a little bit smaller. I think this one might have been a tiny bit cheaper, maybe $35. But I love how it has this kind of like soft gray and then that kind of green, kind of khaki green, and then the kind of rusty peachy tones. So So that's what that one looks like. So my assistant Vanna over here, when I ordered them, I thought that they were both gonna be that size. And of course I didn't look at the measurements because I don't do it. I never plan anything properly. So you can see it's quite a bit smaller. It like fits inside. You know what actually would be really cute with this?
No.
Now that I'm seeing them together. You know those little like white floating shelves where they kind of layer a picture in front of another one? Like layer that over just a little bit in the corner.
What?
Like put this one, no. Like, oh no, like as if it was on a shelf. Like look how cute that looks together. Like if it was on a floating shelf. That's Toes Adorbs. So next is Phoenix's curtains. These ones are new. And I got these ones from Marshall's and they're like this really gorgeous crushed velvet. They're not quite navy. They're kind of like a really nice kind of dusky blue. And they just look so lovely and they're so silky soft and like velvety. And then they open up really nicely. Don't they just look so pretty? I love them. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. He has this wall hanging over here that's got the exact same tone of blue. And then his room is obviously blue. He's got this hanging over here and like his navy blue bedding or headboard. And then like everything is like different tones of blue in here. So I just thought that those were really, really gorgeous. Okay, next I got this mirror, which is from Target. This is the Opal House collection. And it's just this really gorgeous, like light wood with, I don't know what this is. It's pretty heavy mirror, but it has this kind of like cream trim around it. And it just looks so cute. Because I have a lot of like wooden decor that was also from Target, and this was a thrift find. But it's just a really cute little, it's not like super tall, but it's, I mean, it's great if you're 5'2", because there I am. If you were taller, you might have a bit of a situation going on. It's just the cutest little mirror, and I love the arch. I just think it looks so adorable. So very bohemian, darling. And it was only $99. So this is like the wall over here. So I've got my plants on either side, my little kind of seating area, little conversation area, and then the little table, and then the mirror. Next are these curtains. So I used to have hummingbird curtains in here that had like really tropical plants and flowers, but then of course I need to decorate for fall. So I will be removing the summery kind of plants. Those will probably go away and I'll be putting out my little pumpkins. But these curtains, I wanted to get something that was more neutral that would fit with fall decor as well as Christmas decor. So I found these ones on marshalls.com. They were I think they were $29 for the set of 2 panels, which is really good because if you buy them at Target, you have to pay per panel, and usually it's like $29 or $30 per panel, and this was $29 for both panels. And they have these really pretty little kind of like fuzzy, not fuzzy, but like it's textured little diamonds on them. They look really nice, and then that way they'll match with anything. I don't have to worry about what color pillows or what kind of season it is. And then once spring comes, I will pull out my hummingbird tropical leaf ones again, because I loved the way it looked for summer and spring. For now, I think this is gonna work because then it will match the Christmas tree. It'll match like anything that I have. I'm still waiting on this one because I actually ordered these because I thought they were gonna be sheers. And then I got them and realized that they were actually not sheers and they're full-on curtains. So I ended up trying them here and I actually really liked them. So then I ordered one more set for this window. So then this window will also have the white curtain as well. I really am very happy with those. I think they're gonna look really pretty once I get that one as well, and then it's all set up with my fall decor. So that is another new item in my home. The next thing that I got is this cute little plant by Opal House. This is from Target, and it is basically just a little wall pot. Like it just hangs on the wall, but then it's like a faux plant, so it looks like you actually have a little bit of greenery just on the wall, so that when you walk in, I've been decorating for fall, guys, it's a bit of a mess in here, you have like just a little pop of greenery on the wall. So it's so cute. I actually like really love this. I wish I would have got more because I think it's just so adorable. And you know what would be really cute is if you did like layers, like one there, one there, one there, like going up the wall, and then you don't have to water them or anything. So that's even better. So I did get this little gold shelf. So this is what that looks like. It's by Opal House. and I got it for the bathroom. But it has this cute little circle there and like the little wood, so I think that's really adorable. And then I got this for the bathroom, and then I also got this to put soap in. I planned on getting the black mirror with the little shelf, and then I would have this and this sitting on either side with like a cute little plant, but the wrong one came. And then I also ordered these shears. These I actually have in my bedroom, but I ordered these for my makeup room because I have a door that goes through to my bathroom, but there's no door. It's just like an archway, and I don't want to like look in the bathroom for behind my videos when I finally get that room done, because that's going to be my filming video, or my filming room as far as like makeup tutorials go. So this is going to be behind with some curtains to look like it's a cute little French door or curtain or something, or window, but it won't be. So it'll just kind of hide the fact that there's a bathroom behind. This camera, I dropped it and it's like having such a hard time with light. But I got these curtains, which I have in my bedroom, but instead of having it with, I had like a ton of layers in this one. So I already had these little bobbly curtains, which are fun. But then I had an extra set of the hummingbird ones with the little tropical leaves, which I absolutely love. And I never decorate the rest of my house for fall. I just keep the fall decor to just like the main living area. So in here, I just want it to be just tropical and colorful all year round. So we have the really soft peach curtains, which that one's all mingled. What's going on here? And then the little hummingbird ones, those are from H&M. These are from Target. And then those ones are from TJ Maxx. So when you stand all the way back, and for some reason this lighting is not doing well, and it's super messy in here. But see how there's like the layers? So that way I can still have, like, I can film and the shears are up and then you can't see in the day. And then at nighttime I just close the hummingbird ones and the pink ones, or the peach colored ones, and then it is nice and private. So it's like a nice little layering, and I think it looks really pretty. Right now it's just this empty space, and I think eventually we might want to do, sorry, this room is such a mess, you guys. I've been unpacking and I've been like organizing every single drawer, so it's taking me forever. But I thought maybe eventually we might do like a barn door, which would be kind of cute, so that we could just close this and then it would be like a really cute barn door. But I mean, at the moment, I'm like, I just want to get something up in the meantime until we decide if we want to do that or not. So yeah, we're gonna put some like a little curtain rod, probably quite high, like right there, and then just have those curtains come down so that instead of like looking through to the bathroom, you'll look through and see, or you'll see, you know, like the curtain, which will be really cute. Because in our bathroom, I don't know why we did this. We should have painted this room the same as this room, but I didn't, so meh. But I think eventually what I was thinking of doing was maybe painting this vanity in here, because this is like my little bathroom. I was thinking about painting this one like an emerald green, which might be cute, and then changing the paint color in here. But I don't know, I haven't decided yet. There's just been so much to just unpack and hang and decorate, like let alone just redoing things, but I don't like this at all in here. So I'm either gonna do like an emerald green, or I'm gonna do like a really, really light, kind of like dusty, kind of pinky tone, and then maybe do like a fun wallpaper on this wall right here. I keep on changing my mind, so I haven't done anything yet, but I either will do white walls with an emerald green, what's it? And then probably leave the doors white, or I'll do a dusty pink. These will also be a fun dusty pink, and then probably white walls, and then an accent wallpaper. I haven't decided. You guys let me know what you think. But I want it to be like fun and colorful in here. So when I'm gonna be filming like an actual, like a morning routine or a nighttime routine, I'll probably just film it in here, which is why I wanted to do it so that like behind me would be a cute wall color or a cute door color. So I don't know, it might be fun to do like an emerald green door with white walls, and then the emerald green counter, which would be, I think it would be kind of fun. I don't know. we'll see. I have honestly no idea what I'm gonna do in here. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Here's my home decor haul. I hope you guys love. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Again, I will link everything down below that I showed you here in this video. And then of course, I will link down Lisa's channel as well as her video, so you guys can go and check her out after you watch this. Be sure to subscribe to her. Be sure to say that I sent you and give her a little hello. And don't forget to thumbs up her video too. And I hope you guys enjoy. And if you are new, again, thank you so much for coming by. And I hope you guys enjoy my content. And I hope that you guys stick around and subscribe. And I'll see you guys very soon. I love you. Mwah.